Now I am reviewing the Huawei Nova Y61. The display of this smartphone is 6.52-inch IPS LCD. The screen-to-body ratio of the display of this smartphone is 82.4%. The resolution of the display of this smartphone is 720 by 1600 pixels. The PPI density of the display of this smartphone is 269. Now I am telling about the operating system of this smartphone EMUI 12. No Google Play services available of this smartphone. The CPU octa-core. The memory of this smartphone, the card slot is unspecified, but the internal memory are available of 64 GB, and the RAM is also available of different type of this smartphone. The main camera of this smartphone is a triple camera. The feature of the main camera of this smartphone LED flash HDR and panorama. And the video of the main camera of this smartphone 1080p into 30 fps. Now I am telling about the selfie camera of this smartphone is a single camera. The video of the selfie camera of this smartphone 1080p into 30 fps. The sound of this smartphone loudspeaker is available with the stereo speaker, and the 3.5 jack is also available of this smartphone. The connectivity of this smartphone Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band hotspot. The Bluetooth of this smartphone 5.1 A2DPLA. NFC is available only EVE LX9 and only model, but the FM radio is unspecified of this smartphone. The charging port of this smartphone USB Type-C 2.0 USB on the go. Now I am telling about the battery of this smartphone. The battery is a powerful battery of this smartphone 5000 non-normal battery. The charging of the battery 22.5 W wired. There are a different module are available of this smartphone. The SIM of this smartphone dual SIM, nano SIM and dual standby. The network technology are available of this smartphone GSM, HSP and LTE. There are a different price are available of this smartphone. The launch date was announced of this smartphone 1st November 2022. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablets, so please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablets, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.